Hello there, I am Pam, and welcome to Pam Food Tips for toddlers and young children. For this video, I will be giving you some easy tips on how to take good care of your children's teeth.
First of all, your child's teeth must be cleaned well. Brush your child's teeth using a small soft bristle toothbrush that is indicated for children. You can supervise them until they reach 8 years of age. It is to ensure that they do brush their teeth well. Brush their teeth for at least 2 times a day, one in the morning and last thing at night. Make sure to brush all the surfaces of the teeth, from outside surface facing the cheeks to inside surfaces facing the tongue and the palate, and lastly the occlusal surface or the surface touching and grinding the food upon chewing. Always check the fluoride content of the toothpaste your children is using. It is advisable to use toothpaste containing at least 1,000 parts per million of fluoride. Use only a smear of toothpaste for children under 6 years of age and a pea-sized toothpaste for children ages 6 years and above. Teach your children to spit only and do not rinse after brushing. It is to maximize the efficacy of the fluoride. Do you know? Fluoride makes your teeth stronger and fixes early stages of decay. Other countries has fluoride content on their water supply called fluoridation. And fluoride can also be professionally applied by your dentist in gel and varnish application called fluoridization. Next, your children must eat well. Give them a healthy, balanced diet every meal. Give their teeth a rest by giving them tooth-friendly snack for at least 2 to 3 times a day only. It is best to avoid giving your child sugary foods or drinks. But if you do, offer it to them at main meal times with other tooth-friendly foods and not as snacks. Offer it to them for at least less than once a week. You must also teach your children to drink well. Offer them water and milk every day. You may drink tap water if you know your water supply is fluoridated, for it helps prevent tooth decay in low to no cost at all. Do not offer your children soft drinks, concentrated fruit juices, flavored milks, cordial, alcoholic drinks, chocolate drinks, teas, and coffees. For sugar and acid contents of these drinks may contribute in the formation of tooth decay. Assess your child's teeth by lifting their lips every month to check for any signs of tooth decay. Look out for any white or brown spots in all of the surfaces of each tooth, for the decay happens very fast. If you see anything abnormal in your child's mouth, take your child for a dental checkup right away. Be a role model at home. Let your child watch you brush and floss your own teeth. Choose healthy foods and drinks wisely. Visit your dentist regularly and take your child with you. Do not scare them with dental procedures, but teach them the importance of having a regular visit to the dentist. Lastly, as early as possible, stop your child's bad oral habit. Oral habits like thumb sucking, tongue thrusting, lip and cheek biting may be considered normal behavior for children ages 2 years and below. Most children stop these habits between 2 to 4 years of age. Use of pacifiers must also be discouraged by the age of 2. If those oral habits continues beyond age of 5, it may develop to more severe dental problems in your child's mouth or oral cavity. It may affect the growth and development not only of the jaws, which is the maxilla and the mandible, but also the eruption of the developing permanent teeth. Keep your child's mouth healthy and give them a healthy smile. Once again, I am Pam, and this is Pam Tutti Tips.